Hello, welcome back to Talk with Spake.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here with us again.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack.
On this channel, we help you practice real, natural, everyday English through long, friendly conversations.
And today's topic is a very useful one, something everyone can talk about. Today, we're going to learn how to talk about your daily routine.
Yes, your daily routine. Everything you do from the moment you wake up to the moment you go to sleep.
But before we start, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel, Talk with Spake, for more English practice.
It helps us a lot. So, shall we begin?
Let's do it. Emma, how are you today?
I'm great, thank you. And you?
I'm a little tired, but I'm okay.
Tired? Why are you tired?
Well, this weekend I woke up very early on both days.
Oh no. Why did you wake up so early on the weekend?
On Saturday, I went for a long walk with my dog. He loves the morning. And on Sunday, I cleaned my apartment. So, yeah, busy weekend.
That does sound busy. My weekend was very relaxed. I watched a movie and I met my friend for coffee.
That sounds much better than my weekend. Maybe next weekend I can relax.
I think that's a good idea.
But talking about weekends is not our main goal today.
Exactly. We're talking about our normal day, from morning to night, our daily routine.
Should we start with the morning?
Yes, let's start with the morning.
So, Emma, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock, but I don't get up immediately.
Oh? What do you do?
Honestly, I stay in bed for about 10 minutes. Sometimes I stretch, sometimes I just breathe slowly, and sometimes I check my phone. It's a bad habit, I know.
Same here. I also stay in bed for a few minutes. I check the news, or sometimes I check messages from my friends.
It's funny, morning phones are such a universal habit.
Right? But after those few lazy minutes, I get out of bed.
Same. The first thing I do when I finally get up is make my bed.
Oh, wow, very organized.
It just helps my room look neat. It makes me feel like the day is off to a good start.
I try to make my bed, too. Some days I forget, but most days I do it.
After that, I head to the bathroom. What about you?
Same. Bathroom time. And the very first thing I do is brush my teeth.
Me too. Always brush your teeth in the morning.
And then I wash my face with cold water.
Cold water? Brr, that sounds freezing.
It is cold, but it wakes me up instantly. What about you?
I wash my face with warm water and sometimes a gentle cleanser.
Nice.
After that, I take a shower. I take a shower every morning. It helps me feel fresh and awake.
Same here, but I prefer hot showers, especially on cold days.
A hot shower does sound nice. Maybe I should try it tomorrow.
You should. After my shower, I get dressed. Do you wear a uniform to work?
No uniform. I usually wear simple, comfortable clothes, jeans and a nice blouse or a sweater. Something casual, but still professional.
That makes sense. You're a teacher.
True. What about you? What do you wear?
I don't have a uniform either. I usually wear jeans and a t-shirt, or sometimes a nice shirt if I want to look a bit more formal.
Sounds comfortable.
After getting dressed, it's time for breakfast.
The best part of my morning.
What do you usually have?
I usually have yogurt with fruit, sometimes scrambled eggs, and always a cup of tea.
Always tea?
Every single morning. What about you?
Coffee. Big cup of coffee. I love coffee in the morning. And usually toast with butter. Simple, but quick.
Toast and coffee. Classic. Do you ever cook breakfast?
Sometimes, if I have extra time, I make cereal or eggs, but most days, just coffee and toast.
After breakfast, what do you do?
I wash my dishes. I can't leave dirty dishes in the sink.
Me neither. Then, after breakfast, I leave the house and go to work.
How do you get to work?
I walk. My job is only 10 minutes from my apartment.
Wow, that's lucky. I usually take the bus. The bus stop is right near my building.
How long is the bus ride?
About 20 minutes. I listen to music, or sometimes I listen to podcasts.
Listening to music on the bus sounds relaxing. Do you ever read on the bus?
Sometimes, but usually the bus is a bit noisy, so music works better. And you? Your 10-minute walk must be refreshing.
Yes, I love it. It helps me wake up. I get some fresh air, I see a few neighbors. Sometimes I even stop to say hello to a friendly dog near my building.
Dogs really are morning people. Well, morning animals.
Definitely.
So, you reach work at 9 too, right?
Yes, I start at 9. And you?
Same. So let's talk about what we do when we arrive at work. What's the first thing you do?
Well, I go straight to my classroom. I put my bag on the desk, turn on my computer, then I check my emails. It's crazy how many emails teachers get.
I can imagine. In the bookshop, I don't get many emails, maybe 1 or 2 a day. But I do have a morning routine too.
Tell me.
First, I open the door shop and switch on all the lights. Then I turn on the computer system and the cash register. I check that everything is clean and organized for customers.
That sounds very peaceful. Bookstores in the morning must feel so calm.
Oh yes, the morning is quiet, sometimes too quiet. So I often arrange the bookshelves or read a book for a little while before customers arrive.
That sounds like a dream job for book lovers.
It is. But tell me about your morning classes. You said you teach from 10 to 1, right?
Yes, 3 classes back to back. It's fun, but also tiring.
Do you get a break?
Yes, a small one at 11:30. Only 15 minutes, but I use it well.
How?
I go to the teacher's lounge. I drink more tea, talk with my colleagues.
Colleagues. That's one of the vocabulary words we'll explain later.
Exactly. In my school, the other teachers are very friendly. We often talk about our classes or sometimes about weekend plans.
That sounds nice. I also like talking to my colleagues in the shop. There are only 2 of them, but they're great people. We help each other when the shop gets busy.
Do you have lunch together?
Sometimes. Speaking of lunch, what time do you eat?
I eat lunch at 1 o'clock, right after my morning classes finish.
Same. I take lunch around 1 too. It's perfect timing.
What do you usually eat?
Most days, I bring lunch from home. A sandwich or leftovers from dinner, rice, vegetables, simple things. It saves money.
Very smart. I usually eat in the school cafeteria. The food isn't amazing, but it's cheap and quick.
Do you feel sleepy after lunch?
Sometimes, especially when I have to teach 2 more classes in the afternoon.
Oh, wow. Afternoon classes too. That must be exhausting.
It can be, but teaching is also very rewarding.
That's true. In my case, the shop gets busier in the afternoon. Students come after school, adults come after work, so I don't get time to feel sleepy.
Busy is good. It makes the time go faster.
Exactly. What time do you finish work?
I finish at 5 o'clock.
I finish at 6 o'clock. After that, I close the store, lights off, computer off, clean the floor, and lock the door.
That sounds like a routine in itself.
Yes, closing time routine. And then evening begins.
So the workday is done. Now the best part begins, the evening.
Yes, the moment you step out of work and think, okay, now I can finally breathe.
Exactly. So what's the first thing you do when you reach home?
Oh, this is the best part. The moment I enter my apartment, I immediately change my clothes.
Yes, same. It feels like taking off the whole day.
Absolutely. I take off my jeans, put on soft pants, and a big, comfortable t-shirt. It's like my home uniform.
Home uniform. I love that. I do the same. I take off my work clothes and put on my soft hoodie and warm leggings. That feeling is unbeatable.
It really is. It's like your mind knows, okay, now you can relax.
So after changing, do you start dinner?
Usually, yes. I get hungry quickly.
Me too. What do you usually cook?
Honestly, nothing fancy. I'm not a master chef. I usually make pasta with tomato sauce or chicken with rice and salad. Simple and fast.
That's still good. Simple food is comforting. I like to cook too. For me, cooking is relaxing. It feels like meditation.
Oh, wow. What do you make?
It depends on the day. Sometimes I make a big bowl of soup with vegetables, sometimes fish with broccoli, and sometimes, I admit, I order food when I'm very tired.
Same. Sometimes after a long day, cooking feels like too much effort.
Exactly. But cooking most days is nice.
What time do you have dinner usually?
Around 7:30.
I'm a bit late, around 8 o'clock. But after dinner,
Dishes.
yes, dishes. We can't run away from dishes.
I wash them immediately. If I leave them in the sink, I feel stressed.
Same. If the kitchen is messy, I can't relax.
So after dinner and dishes, relax time begins.
What do you like to do in the evening for fun?
Well, it depends. Some days I watch TV, usually nature documentaries.
The ones with animals?
Yes, I love those. They're peaceful but interesting.
Nice. I usually watch comedy series. Something light, something funny.
Comedy is good for the heart. But what about reading? You love reading, right?
Yes. Most nights I read a book. Sometimes a mystery, sometimes a biography.
That's wonderful. I read too, especially for my book club.
Oh yes, your book club. What day is it again?
Wednesday evenings, we meet online and talk about a book. It's one of my favorite weekly routines.
That sounds lovely. I also like to call my family in the evening. Just a short video call. It makes me feel connected.
That's sweet. Do you ever exercise in the evening?
Sometimes, 2 days a week, Tuesday and Thursday, I go to the gym.
That's very disciplined.
I try. What about you?
I prefer walking. After dinner, if the weather is nice, I take a 15 to 20-minute walk around my neighborhood. It clears my mind.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes. And then, after everything, it's bedtime routine time.
Ah, yes. The final routine of the day.
What do you do first?
Brush my teeth, of course.
Same. Always brush before bed.
Then I wash my face with warm water. It feels like telling my body, day is finished.
Nice. Then what?
I set my alarm for the next morning. And then I get into bed.
Do you read in bed?
Just for 10 or 15 minutes. It helps me relax.
That's good. I don't do that.
Oh, no. You look at your phone, don't you?
Yes. I know it's bad. People tell me all the time. You should try reading. Really, it helps.
I might try. What time do you usually go to sleep?
Around 11.
I sleep at midnight and wake up at 7, so I get 7 hours.
Not enough. No wonder you feel tired.
Maybe I should copy your schedule.
Yes, do that. Sleep is very important.
So that's our whole daily routine, morning to night.
Practice section. So, Jack, I think now is the perfect time to practice with everyone watching.
Yes, this part is very important. Don't just listen, speak with us. Repeat after us. It really helps your brain and your mouth learn English together.
Exactly. And don't worry if your pronunciation is not perfect. With practice, it gets better and better.
So, we will say a sentence, and you repeat after us. Ready?
Okay, here we go. Sentence 1. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. Repeat it now.
Good. Next one. After that, I brush my teeth. Say it with us.
Nice job. Sentence 3. I take a shower and I get dressed. Your turn.
Well done. Sentence 4. I have breakfast before I go to work. Repeat it.
Great. Sentence 5. I finish work at 5 o'clock. Say it now.
Excellent. In the evening, I relax and watch TV. Repeat after us.
Very nice. Sentence 8. I go to sleep at 11 o'clock. Your turn.
Amazing work, everyone. That was really good practice.
Jack, should we try a little challenge now?
Oh yes, a speaking challenge. This time, we say the beginning of the sentence, and our viewers finish the sentence themselves.
Perfect. So we start the sentence and you finish it in your own words.
Ready? Here is the first one. In the morning, I usually... You finish it. Say it out loud.
Great. Next one. For breakfast, I like to... Say your own answer.
Very good. After work, I usually... You finish it.
Nice. In the evening, I relax by... Your own activity. Say it.
Excellent work. Last one. Before I go to sleep, I... Say your answer with confidence.
Wow, that was impressive. We can almost hear people speaking with us.
Yes, and if you want, you can type your answers in the comments. We love reading them.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
We really enjoyed learning English with you. You did great, truly.
If you liked this lesson, please give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who is also learning English.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Talk with Spake, so you never miss a new English conversation.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep improving every day.
We'll see you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.